Hey everyone, Matt here from Generator Mart, and today we're going to be taking a look at the best ways to keep your generator in top shape through the winter. So starting up here with our portable generator, under this cover I've got the Onan P2500i. So as you see on top of it right here, I've got a cover, and this brings us to our first topic, which is storage. When you're using a portable generator, a lot of times through the winter, people tend to just put them in the garage and they don't use them until spring, which, unless you're making sure that that generator is maintained properly, can actually hurt the lifespan of the product. So with something like this, the first thing you're going to want to do is anytime you store it, throw something like a quick cover over it. Just make sure all the dust, debris, and other crap that can get into the system, there's some sort of barrier around that generator just to keep it safe. Another big thing that people don't tend to think about as much when they're storing their generator is the fuel that's in it. Regular gasoline can actually start to break down in just about 30 days, and what that does is it starts to gum up the carburetors in these machines and actually makes it so that when you go to start it up after a long winter, they really don't want to run right. So what we recommend for something like that is something like this VP Racing Fuel Stabilizer. Just adding a bottle of this into the generator before it goes into storage can be great and can really help keep that system clean so that when you fire it up again, it's ready to go right off the bat. Another very easy way to make sure your generator stays in top condition over these long winter months is going in every so often and doing a test run. Running your generator every so often like this can make sure that if small issues do arise, you can catch them and fix them before they become major problems that take out the generator entirely. Really just saves you a lot of stress in the long run, something we highly recommend doing. Lastly, and most importantly, it's always, whether you're storing your generator or if you're using it all winter, it is so important to keep up with your maintenance schedule. They're always going to have a maintenance schedule in your owner's manual, and whether you're using something like this Cummins maintenance kit or something like one of the Generator Mart maintenance kits that is in the works and coming soon, keep an eye on our website for that. Whatever you're using, just making sure you keep up with that regular maintenance is going to be the best way to get the most life out of your portable generator. So hopefully with what we've talked about here today, you can see that it really doesn't take a lot of work to make sure that your generator is properly maintained through these winter months. And by doing so, you really ensure that you're going to get the most usefulness and the most lifespan out of your product. If you do have any questions about any of the stuff we've talked about here today, leave it down in the comments below or shoot us an email, leave us a phone call. We've got a full team always standing by to answer any questions you may have. And if you're interested in any of this product, whether it's this VP Racing product on my right, the Cummins maintenance kit, or any maintenance kits in general, or something like a cover, we've got it all over on our website at GeneratorMart.com. Also, keep an eye out on our social media, because over on our Facebook page, we're actually going to be doing a giveaway very soon. We can't tell you what it is yet, you'll have to keep an eye out, but we'll see you there.